morning children. Today we are going to start part 2 history, when, where and how. In the part 1 we already discussed the 3 points: meaning of history, time periods in history and importance of studying history. Now today we discuss other 3 points: dates in history, role of geography, sources of history. Okay, the first point, dates in history, I will discuss. Dates in history is dates act as landmark in history. Date is necessary because they help in maintaining proper records of the past. तो उस समय में दो टेक्निक के माध्यम से इस डेट्स का पता चलता था, एक BCE और एक CE. Look at the board. BCE stand for before common era और CE stand for common era. That means BCE वो समय को कहा जा रहा है जब जीसस क्राइस्ट के जन्म के पूर्व के समय का, और CE जो कि कॉमन ईरा, ये जीसस क्राइस्ट के जन्म के बाद. अब जाके अभी के समय में अब हम लोग BCE को BC करते हैं और CE को AD से जानते हैं. मतलब BCE यानी बिफोर क्राइस्ट और AD मीन्स एनो डोमिनी, ना, आफ्टर द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट. Point, role of geography. Without geography, history cannot describe, because the geography of a land often has a powerful impact on its history. Geography was one of the important factors that influenced the location of early settlement around the world. All the early civilization, namely those Egypt, Mesopotamia, Indus, China, were located in around river valleys. Look at the map. These physical features greatly influence the history of India. These physical features greatly influence the history of India. They also influence the customs, ट्रेडिशन ऑफ आवर कंट्री, जिसकी वजह से हर जगह का कस्टम, रीति रिवाज, वेशभूषा, खाने, फूड स्टाइल अलग अलग होती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री. सोर्सेस हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 sources: archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological sources including archaeology, inscription, coins, historical artifacts, seals, monuments, manuscript. Archaeology is the study of material remains of the past. पुराण संबंधी चीजों का जो पढ़ाई होती है उसको आर्कियोलॉजी कहते हैं. आर्कियोलॉजिकल मीन्स पुराण संबंधी चीजें. इसमें बहुत सारी चीज आ सकता है: इंस्क्रिप्शन, कॉइन, हिस्टोरिकल आर्टिफैक्ट्स, सेल्स, मॉन्यूमेंट, मनुस्क्रिप्ट. अब हम लोग 1 by 1 इसके बारे में जानेंगे. इंस्क्रिप्शन were written on rocks, pillar, wall and important buildings. Coins, you already know, coins are important for source of study. History, the study of coins is also known as numismatics. Historical artifact also important for history. Artifacts are objects made by human beings that were used in the past. As you know, the study of coin are known as numismatics, and the inscription, study of inscription is also called epigraphy. Epigraphy is an important source of Indian history, as inscription cannot be altered or manipulated. Many inscriptions still intact, therefore are relevant source of history. During the rule of Ashok, many inscriptions were issued. Ashoka's inscription have helped to reconstruct the history of Mauryan period. Now, literary sources. Literary sources divided in two texts. Religious texts such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vedas, Puran. Secular text refers to writing and सब्जेक्ट अदर देन रिलीजन, जो कि धर्म निरपेक्ष यानी किसी धर्म में के ये में नहीं, अदर जैसे कि फाहियन आए थे, हियंगसंग आए थे, और जब ये भारत से यहाँ से गए तो अपने बुक में ये जैसे कि इंडिका, मेघास्थनीस आए थे, तो ये लोग अपने अपने, और चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के समय में कौटिल्य थे, वो लिखे थे अर्थशास्त्र। ये सारी चीज सेकुलर लिटरेचर का हिस्सा है, जिससे भी हम लोग हिस्ट्री के बारे में बहुमूल्य जानकारी पा सकते हैं। नाउ वी नो इन दिस चैप्टर प्री हिस्ट्री। प्री हिस्ट्री ए पीरियड इन हिस्ट्री व्हेन राइटिंग वाज नॉट इन्वेंटेड। हिस्ट्री द स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट इवेंट्स। BCE common era, before common era, sorry, CE common era. Archaeology is the study of material remains of the past. Artifacts, man-made objects such as pots, toys, weapons, bones. Epigraphy, the study of inscription. Numismatics, the study of coins. Manuscript, handwritten documents. Religious texts, the sources which tell us about the religious tradition. Same way, secular text, secular literature tell us about the social and economic lives of people. Please note all the points in your copy and learn them carefully. These all are very important. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss about the second chapter in history. Thank you.